What's up, everybody? Back at you with another video here. I'm just out here camping in Kentucky and enjoying the nature out here. This is just what I like to do. I can't stand society. Society is burnt. It's stupid. Cool though. Got my dog here. But that's my little camp right there. Only thing I don't like about these damn state or nature parks, say you gotta pay to stay in nature. How stupid is that? How stupid is that? We should not have to pay to stay in nature. Period. But the way the government is, they're control freaks. They want to control everything. And I think one of the main reasons why they control these nature parks, or a lot of nature parks, is because they want to prevent people from living on the land for free in nature. So that's why they control. I mean, hell, think about it. The government's control freaks. They want to control freaking everything, literally everything. And they're not going to stop until they get full control over everything. And they probably won't even stop there. They just want to keep going and going and going. They're big time control freaks. And the sheeple masses just keep continuing to feed the beast system. Most of them are trapped into doing so. And are completely unaware. You know what I mean? But I pretty much got this whole lower level to myself, which is pretty nice. There's a lake over there on the other side. I'll show you guys here in a little while. But yeah, this is what I like to do, is just come out and camp. Come on. Most people in general, they're just so disconnected from nature to begin with. And the system has played a big part on making them like that. They've got the sheeple masses just way too comfortable. The sheeple masses are way too comfortable, and they don't want to leave their comfort zone, you know. So many people are just programmed to be content with buying a house and being stuck in the same damn location for a good chunk of their life. You know what I mean? Not doing shit, not exploring anywhere. And of course, the system, of course, has got many people trapped also into having to stay at a location due to finances or whatever it is. She's a good girl, ain't she? Annabelle loves the water. Come on. So yeah, this is where it's at, people. Fuck all that society drama. Yeah. Pretty cool. Let's go down here. I'll show you guys my camp setup. This is it. So I'm just hanging out here, chilling with my dog. Chilling with my dog. She loves me. I love her. Here goes my baby. This is my tent, my camping setup. I got a tarp right here in the front, just to kind of prevent leaves and dirt and crap getting in my tent. I just got a camo tent, little hanging lamp light. There's my little spot. Annabelle is gonna be sleeping right there. Don't have much in here, just pretty much my bedding, but yeah, that's my setup. Got my hammock right there. So it's just nice and peaceful. I'd rather be here than in the damn fucking city, in society. My dog, Annabelle, she loves it. She loves coming camping. Don't you, Annabelle? Yep. Yep. But yeah, I could definitely do this full time. Full time living in nature, just camping, different places, traveling. It's kind of what I want to do, but I'm kind of in the child support trap. Got to continue paying my child support till my daughter turns 18, or she gets out of high school, or if she goes to college, I'll have to pay even longer. But as soon as I get behind child support, I'm going to be hitting the road and traveling all different kinds of places. That's my plan. But child support kind of keeps you as it's a trap, just to make you continue to slave for the money. Annabelle's having a good time, ain't you? Annabelle's having a good time, ain't you, babies? She's my good girl. Yes, you are. You're my good girl. She's my good girl. I've had her since she was just a little baby puppy. Yep, that's my good girl. Annabelle's my good girl. Annabelle's my good girl. Yes, she is. She's my good girl. She's my good girl. She's a funny dog. She's a funny dog. But yeah, this is why I like coming out in nature and camping. It's just so nice and peaceful, just listening to the bugs and animals and, you know, Mother Nature out there. It's just real nice and quiet and peaceful. It allows your mind to think. And see, that's the thing, most people living in the cities and just going to work, going home on repeat, They don't really have no time to actually think. You need to get out in nature to clear your mind and just think about what's going on. Because the way most people are living is wrong. It's wrong. It's an indoctrinated way of living. The way most people are living is they're living the way the elite want them to live. Like, most businesses are for serving other people. Yes, but behind the scenes, everyone that has a business that is paying taxes is serving the beast system and is working for the beast system. So it's not really serving other people. It is in a way, but behind that, all businesses and anybody and everybody that pays taxes is serving the beast system. It's a trap. It's a big trap, and they got every damn one of us in it. Check that out. There's a little bobber right there where water used to be, but now it's way over there. Hey, Billy. What you doing here, Bill? Let's talk a little bit about the system, people. The system, the beast system, the Illuminati controlled system, just wants to consume your whole entire life to the day that you die. I mean, think about it. From the time you're born into a hospital, given a social security number, birth certificate. Immediately right there, you're just a number to the system, and beginning to become trapped to the system just by being born into it. Then once that's established, once you're born, they want you to go to school for a good quarter of your life, even college. It's all just a trap. Schools, the system just makes obedient, indoctrinated fucking sheeple bots just to serve the beast system, to slave for money for your entire life. That's what they want the sheeple masses to do. And if you take a step back and look at it, that's exactly what's going on. And then after, of course, after they consume a quarter of your life in school, teaching you shit that, or making you memorize shit that you're probably never even going to use most of that crap. It's just low vibrational, distractive information that they want you to memorize, just to basically waste your life, Then they want you to get a job right after you finish school, so you can get a job, work full time, and chase money till you retire when you're old, if you're lucky to live that long. And then retirement age is on average 65 years old. So they want you to slave for the system till you're 65 before you can even draw Social Security. Shit, a lot of people don't make it till they're 65. So all that money that they paid into to Social Security just gets wasted. And that's what the system does. They just want you to waste your energy. And people work for money. It's kind of like an energy exchange. You're spending your energy for that paper money that they just print, that the system just fucking prints in an infinite amount of money. They can make everybody in this world rich if they really wanted to. They could just print more money. It's not backed by silver, gold, or anything. Sheeple don't get that. They don't even question the symbolism on the money. You know, that's part of what got me down the rabbit hole, is just researching all the symbolism that's on money. People handle it, or sheeple handle it every day, and they have no fucking clue what's on it. I don't know, I mean, once you become awake to what the fuck is going on, you can avoid a lot of crap and plan ahead accordingly to escape the trap, you know, because almost everything in this system is a fucking trap. It's a scam, con of some kind to drain your energy, you know. The system's like fucking vampires, just trying to suck you for everything that you got to offer. They don't want people being informed and knowing what's going on. They want a dumbed down population, and that's pretty much what they've got. The majority of people are dumbed the fuck down. They don't know shit. All they know is simple stuff. Part of the reason also is because they're fluoride the fuck up. They've consumed too much fluoride and toxic crap that affects their abilities to be able to think. There's just so much going on. It's a lot. It is a lot. But we got to start somewhere, and awakening others is a good start. You know what I mean? Because I do feel like things are starting to change, but some bigger changes are coming, because things are getting to a boiling point, and more people are waking up to what is going on. They're wakening up to the truth. So things are going to be happening that sheeple may or may not like. A lot of the sheep were so brainwashed that they're not going to like the new changes, because they're so systematically programmed to live the way that they're living. They've just been indoctrinated as fuck by the system to be exactly how they are. They don't know how to step outside of the box. They don't know how to leave their comfort zone. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick little rant about the system there. If y'all think about it, there is just way too much crap that the government can fucking arrest us for, make us into criminals over petty shit. A lot of it's petty shit, like drug charges, like possession of drug charges. Why can't they just mind their own fucking business? You know what I'm saying? Somebody that does drugs, they're not hurting anybody else but themselves. If it's, you know, hard drugs, I don't have nothing against marijuana or herbal drugs. That shit should not be illegal in the first place. But there's just so much crap that they've made illegal that shouldn't be, to turn people into criminals. See, what the system wants is that they want an obedient population that will do whatever the fucking system tells them to do. They want dumbed down sheeple that will do whatever the system tells them to do. And they're dwindling it down. They're dwindling people down all the way just to that. So they're just going to be left with ignorant fucking obedient sheeple bots that'll serve the system and do whatever they're told by the system. That's what they want. That's what the system, the elite, want. My opinion of why psychedelics are illegal, the reason why they've made psychedelics illegal, is because it really kind of pries open your third eye. You don't really have a choice but to open your third eye when you do a psychedelic. And it opens you up to the bigger picture. It gives you samples, I guess, of what's on the other side and how life is. And that's what the system, they don't want you knowing that. You know what I mean? The elite, the evil powers that be, they don't want you knowing the bigger picture. They don't want you being spiritual. They don't want you being enlightened. That's why there's fluoride in your water and all kinds of toxic shit out there for you to consume, that they want you to consume. But if you know and you're aware about this stuff, if you're a truth seeker and you found out the truth, you can avoid all that crap. Yeah, chemtrails is kind of hard to avoid, but all this stuff adds up to a healthier lifestyle, you know what I mean? For you to be able to think better, to think deeper. Because they are attacking us every way that they can. poison in the air, poison in the food, poison in the water, even toxic shit on the TV to feed your minds and your kids. I mean, they're attacking us every way that they can. So if you're aware of some of that stuff, you can avoid a lot of it. But it takes knowing and wanting to know the truth to be able to do so. See, a lot of these sheeple bots, they don't care to know the truth. And therefore they suffer on many levels because of it. If you're wondering what the hell that noise is, it's my dog. She likes to roam around, make noises. Annabelle, Annabelle, Annabelle. She's my good girl. She's a good dog. So I decided to move over here close to the water. I was over there like in the woods, which was a nice spot too, but I just wanted to be by the water for a change. So yeah, it's a pretty chill spot. It's an awesome, nice day. It feels great outside. So I'm all set up here. I went and grabbed some firewood, not a lot, just enough to have a fire tonight. And now I'm just posted up. This is my view from the tent. It's pretty nice. I got my dog. She likes to like roll around, and she just likes to roll around and make noises. But she's living it up. Yeah, pretty relaxing anyway. And I got this, this is pretty comfortable what I'm laying on here. I got this like memory foam pad. It's pretty thick that I'm laying on, and it is just comfortable as could be. This is that tree that you can tell one time it was underwater all the way up to like about right there, but pretty neat. This right here is another spot you can tell just how high the water was at one time. That's all dried up down here. That tire's been in there for a long time. A bunch of shells all over the place. So check it, I'm out here just chilling, and lo and behold, I look up, and of course, I see this motherfucker spraying chemtrails right over me. Look at that crap. Yeah. Big old fat chemtrail. Sheep will actually think they're fucking free. They're so stupid and indoctrinated. I mean, think about it. Kids are forced to go to school. If they don't go to school, they can get a truancy, and even the parents could even get arrested. Now, how the fuck is that freedom? Now, keep in mind that they got to do that for a quarter of their life. And let's say if you become an adult, grow up, get out of school finally after college or whatever the fuck. You get a job, you find a girl, you have a kid, and then she leaves, or you can't make it work with her or whatever. And then they get you for child support. Then you're forced to work for money and slave for money, even though there's a lot of other ways to support children besides fucking passing out money. You know what I'm saying? But you're forced to fucking slave for money until that child turns 18 or out of high school or even out of college sometimes. They can stretch it even longer than that, and you'll have to pay child support until your son or daughter gets out of college. So how the fuck are you free? You know what I'm saying? When you're forced to do stuff, or you'll go to jail if you don't. You know what I'm saying? Sheep are just fucking delusional, stupid fucks. You know what I mean? How the fuck are you free if you can't even do a psychedelic or smoke weed without getting arrested? You know what I'm saying? They'll arrest you for doing stuff like that. Like, that's stupid as fuck. Stupid as fuck. How the fuck are you free? And I can go on and on and on and on and on about this shit. But sheep are so fucking retarded and ignorant that they actually think that they're free in this country. Stupidity. Stupidity. But anyway, I just wanted to throw a couple examples about that out there. About how we are not free. And fucking how sheep really are brainwashed into thinking that they got freedom by the system. The system always fucking, you know, the government is always out there with their American flags waving around like, yeah, freedom. And you got the stupid ass fucking sheeple that are just like, yeah, God bless America, freedom, yeah. They're so stupid. Now, don't get me wrong, I love the country. The country is beautiful. The land is beautiful. It's the fucking government and the ignorant sheeple bots that I can't fucking stand that needs to change. Anyway, I just thought I'd throw that out there. So you guys got to understand that way back in the day, children, kids they didn't used to be an expense. It's the system that made children an expense. Back in the day, kids would help their parents out on the farm. Nowadays, it's just like, they've made everything an expense. Everything, even your own kids. And it's not the way it should be. You know what I'm saying? It's fucking annoying knowing the truth and knowing how things are and just seeing how stupid fucking people are. They're so clueless. Way too much fluoride. You know, it's true what they say. Once you wake up, you can't go back to sleep. It's impossible. You don't see the world the same anymore once you wake up. You know what I mean? Your whole perspective changes. And it's draining. It is draining when you're in society dealing with all the indoctrinated sheeple-bots that don't know the truth. They either don't want to hear what you got to say, laugh about it. I mean, they're just so programmed to think how they're thinking, and that's it. By the system. They're thinking exactly how the system wants them to think. I mean, they've lived in the system their entire life since birth. I mean, just think about it. They've been indoctrinated. But yeah, it drains your energy when you're around that kind of shit all the time. That's why I like to get the fuck out and go in nature as much as I can. Just away from fucking the ignorant people. It's healing. You know what I'm saying? Nature itself, nature heals. The system is all about destroying your mind, body, and your soul. Of course, you got to have a somewhat woke, decalcified third eye in order to be able to see it all and know. It's not easy to find out the truth. You got to go through years and years of research and you got to seclude yourself from the sheeple masses, from other people. Most people, they just get, they're too quick to get married instead of being patient and trying to find the right one. And they get stuck with a sheeple bot wife or husband, and they also keep, they'll keep you asleep. You know what I mean? If you're married to one, there's just so much ignorance, and of course, a lot of these sheeple bots, they're so full of anger and hate because the system has played a big part on making them that way. But they're not aware of it. You know what I'm saying? They don't know how to correct or fix their fucking problems, because they don't step outside the box. Anyway, just wanted to say that. Well, that bird was trying to share something with the other bird. Did you guys see that? See, he's trying to share it with the other bird. He was. Oh, damn. See, nature cares more about, their own than humans do. Humans always be trying to backstab each other and shit, for the most part. Yeah, I'm about to roll out of here. Just enjoying my last few moments by the water before I roll out. Check out this tree, the roots on this tree. You can tell at one time it was kind of underwater. The water used to come all the way up to these rocks. Anyway, those roots are kind of neat. A lot of the reason why I do what I do, I'm trying to wake up the sheep masses, is because a lot of them, I mean, they got good hearts, they got good intentions. You know what I mean? Like I could see and feel their good side, in their soul. But most sheeple masses, sheeple bots, their souls have been tainted by the system, and they're so fucked. I mean, there's a part of them that is just so fucked up because they're so brainwashed and indoctrinated. And all we can do is just do the best that we can to enlighten them. It's up to them to actually go within and search within themselves to enlighten themselves, really. But us truth seekers can only do so much to wake them up. The sheeple masses don't realize that we do what we do because we care. They just don't know. They just don't know how indoctrinated they've been, how programmed they've been by the system. They gotta remove pretty much everything that they've been told to memorize by the system and relearn everything from the true perspective of everything, which not many people travel down that road. It will come. Hey, Bill. Hey, Bill, come. Come on. Annabelle loves smelling pretty much every damn thing that we walk by. Yeah. She's got to stop like every damn millimeter, it feels like. It is just awesome out here. Just awesome. It's so quiet and peaceful. Just the sounds of nature. Yeah, we pulled to another little spot here, and there's a little trail right there. So Annabelle and I decided to walk up it a little bit to get a better view of the lake. Wow, amazing. The little trail, looks like there's a little trail right here. It goes down a little ways. We're gonna go check it out. It goes through here. Come on, Bill. That's a cool little trail, though. It almost seems like this might go all the way down to the water. No, it kind of... Yeah, kind of... Oh, come on. Yeah, it goes right down to the water. Wow. Check that out. Just awesome. Hey, Bill, come. Look at that. Wow. Look at people, man. They just litter like crazy. Look at all that fucking trash. Some people just don't give a fuck. Somebody peed in a bottle, it looks like. They left the bottle. Go on. She's a good girl. She's a good. Look how happy she is. She's just happy as hell to be outside and in the water. She loves the water, but don't really like swimming. She's just drinking a shitload of water just now. A wave got her. You have fun, Annabelle? You have fun? Annabelle have a good old time? Just a happy, happy dog. Happy, 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 happy dog. Come up. Some trash, man. So Annabelle and I pulled off to another spot, and it was like called Canal Overlook, and this is the spot. Pretty cool. Show you guys a new car decal I got. It says 1% control the world, 4% are sellout puppets, 90% are asleep, 5% know the truth and are trying to wake up the 90%. The 1% don't want the 5% waking up the 90%. I got all kinds of decals on here. I've been trying to wake up the sheep for a long time. There's one, don't be a sheep. Haters gonna hate. In the war on drugs. And I got all kinds of shit on here. Anti-illuminati. DMT. Dimethyltryptamine. Fuck the system. Anti-new world order. Political correctness. Never trust the government. I mean, yeah. All kinds of decals.
Use the news to make hate, while elite folks control all the political parties. It's a big lie, trying to make you pick sides.
You guys
burn the cities down and kill each other.
You guys haven't heard Tom McDonald's new track called Sheeple. Definitely go check it out. I mean, I'm just glad to see artists like that, you know, speaking truth and starting to wake up the sheeple masses. I mean, it's the Great Awakening. Tom McDonald's playing a big part on wakening up the people. You know what I mean? I mean, listen to his lyrics.
With an algorithm that changes based on propaganda curated for your engagement. We can't be free. And no peace till we're on the same team, but y'all are sheep. The scream's just part of the machine. Y'all are sheep. What do y'all believe? My sheep.
But anyway, yeah, good job, Tom. Well, that's it for this video, all. Till next video, peace and love. Late.